Hello there, everybody. Welcome to day 10. Today's practice is going to be some of it in a chair, some of it standing, not long, 15, 20 minutes. And today we're going to talk about the power of consistency. Part of growing something out there, we have to keep nurturing it consistently. We can't just throw it in the ground and expect Mother Nature to do it, especially here in Colorado when it's been so hot and dry. So we have to make sure that we are consistently focusing on what we're growing, consistently showing up for ourselves. And that begins to build habits that create your best life. So find a seat. You can be on the sofa, on a chair, dining room chair. I'm on a folding chair, anywhere that you can sit comfortably, but don't sit back and have lazy yoga. We're going to have strong core yoga. So my hips, knees, ankles, feet are in that beautiful lengthening alignment. My spine is long. I'm actually sitting towards the edge of my seat so that the back, I have quite a bit of space between my back and the back of the chair. Go ahead and try that and get really, really tall in your spine. And let's roll the shoulders. Roll the shoulders. I think practicing in a chair can be a great way to connect to the body and build a consistent practice because we're not wobbling when we're in a chair. We're not trying to sit in an uncomfortable position on the floor. Tee out your arms. Big breath here. On your exhale, tip over. And now reach with your left hand and over your head. I'm actually going to hold on to that little arm of my chair and really side bend. Inhale back up. Exhale, let it float. Right arm goes high. Exhale over. Now, if you are practicing with me in a wheelchair, you got the wheels to hold on to or the arms of your chair. Inhale to rise. Exhale to float. Stack your arms like fire logs. Take your right fingertips on the outside of your left elbow and then gently pull both elbows to the right. Ooh, I just had a little pop. Come back to center. Stack the opposite way, left hand on top of the right elbow. Twist to the left. Come back to center. Keep your fire logs stacked, your arms stacked. Tuck your chin underneath. Reach your arms up. Now, if this is not available to you, you don't have to do it. You can just reach up like this. Grab the elbow, tip over. Come back to center. Grab the other elbow, tip over. Come back to center. Lower your arms. Roll your shoulders. We're going to tee out the arms and then make an X with the arms. Grab your shoulders. We did this last week in the chair practice. It's a version of eagle pose. Now I'm going to bring my elbows towards my belly, pulling my shoulders forward. Tuck the chin. Look at your heart. And next, we're going to inhale and we're going to lift, and the elbows are going to come off the chest. They're going to go to the sky. The nose goes up and lower to neutral. We just did all 6 directions of the spine. Go figure. Lower your palms, roll your shoulders. We're going to do a half sun salutation. I'm simply going to turn so that you don't have to look at the back of my head, but you'll see where we're going to go. Palms down, circle up, inhale. We're going to change it today. Bend your elbows, exhale, palms to the sky. Inhale, reach back up, look forward. On your exhale, lay your belly on your legs and hands come down, maybe to the floor, maybe to your ankles, maybe to your knees, maybe somewhere in between. We're going to come up halfway, hands to the shins. Look at the long spine there. Take a breath. Exhale, belly to the thighs, fold, tuck the chin. Inhale to roll up. Exhale, turn your palms. Do that again. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, bend your elbows, lean back, palms to the sky. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward, belly to the thighs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reverse. All the way up. Exhale, turn your palms. Now, what's cool is because we come into that half sun salutation almost every time we hang out together, that's building a foundational consistency in your morning practice. When 30 days of yoga is long gone, it is my hope that you will remember 6 directions of the spine and what a half sun salutation is and how to breathe and move at the same time. If that's all you get out of it, that's perfection to me. And if the seed that you are growing continues to bloom in your life out there, then we've done our job. Turn your palms one more time. Inhale, circle up. Exhale, bend your elbows, palms to the sky. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward, reach, reach, reach. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reverse that. Come on up, turn your palms. So nice. Now we're going to take the legs wide on the chair. It's a little bit hard if you are in a wheelchair because it's hard. The wheels are right here. So just do your best. Scoot to the edge. If you're on a chair like me, you're going to be way at the edge. Right arm's going to drop, but I'm not going to collapse through the right side like I'm just hanging out being lazy. I'm going to have some intention here. Left arm goes out first. Then I flip my palm. Left arm to the sky, bicep to the ear, and we really reach. Now take your right arm and straighten it. Press it against your right inner thigh to create an opening for your hip. Reach, reach, reach. Inhale to rise. Left arm is going to come down. Don't collapse the left ribs. Keep it nice and long. Right arm goes out. Flip the palm. Inhale up. Now reach over. Now straighten, the left arm. Open the hip. Open the hips. So these passive stretches, especially right now, the inner thigh, the adductor, abductor, inner thigh, outer thigh, getting a nice stretch. Inhale to rise. Exhale to float. Now we're going to come into the warrior series from a seated position, which can be really, really fun. Take your right leg, pick it up, loop it over. Oh, sorry, Emma. Just kicked the old dog in the head. Right leg is going to go on the outside of the chair. Now, this is tricky for me, but I'll show you. Left leg goes long. See how we've created that shape that we do standing? Arms go long. Look at your right hand. What a beautiful expression of warrior two. We're getting this opening through our pelvis, opening through the hips. Flip your right hand. Ready for the clock? Inhale, right arm rises. Take your left, wrap it around your ribs. Exhale, warrior two, palm face down. Do that again. Inhale, reach to reverse warrior. Exhale, warrior two. Consistency. Inhale. Exhale. We got two more. Inhale. Exhale. It should feel nice. Lengthen your arms. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to come to the reverse to hold. Inhale, reverse warrior. Left arm wraps to the right side body ribs. Reach with your left arm. It's a beautiful opening. Breathe. We're going to come into that side angle that we've been before. Right arm drops. Left arm reaches like a diagonal line, bicep by the ear. Hold here. Should feel the left side body open, open, open. Inhale up. Exhale, let it float. Let's do the whole thing with the other side. So come back to where we began. Pick up your left leg, scoop it around the outside of the chair, straighten your right leg. Now here, even in a seated position, that self-study, my body wants to go diagonal because I'm so compromised in my hips. So I have to work to turn. So you might find the same imbalances in your body. It's just awareness. Consistently practicing, which is why I do this every August, because I get busy with life and I don't practice consistently. By the end of 30 days, hopefully my hips will feel a little bit better and be where they need to be. All right, arms go long. Look at your left hand. Flip it, reach to the sky, wrap your right arm around your left ribs. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, warrior two. We got three more. Inhale, reverse. Try to lengthen your limbs. Exhale. Inhale. Should feel nice. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Notice the beautiful day ahead. Last time we hold it, inhale, reverse. Should feel nice. Take a breath here. Let's find that side angle. Left arm comes down. Right arm shoots like an arrow, long diagonal line. Now take your heart. I can notice mine because I get the honor, I guess, to look at myself in the camera. My heart's going towards the floor. So I'm going to lift my heart and maybe even look up at the blue sky. Just subtle changes. Inhale to rise. Exhale to float. Bring your legs back together. And we're going to come into some sitting balance work because anytime we work the balance, whether we're in a chair or standing up. We enhance our ability to be balanced out there, both physically and all the other ways. Put your hands together, hold your seat. We're going to shift the weight into our left leg. Inhale, right leg lifts. All right, lower it. We got to start over. Did you notice when you did that, you leaned back? That's because we're not engaging through the core. So we want to make sure that we have that long spine, belly button is towards the spine, but we're still able to breathe. When we stand on one leg or sit on one leg, we have a tendency to hold our breath. Anytime things are hard out there or here, we hold our breath. So we're going to learn how to breathe with the challenge. Hold your seat. Root into your butt bones. Shift the weight into your left leg. Don't lean back. Engage the belly like somebody's going to punch you in the stomach. That's how you want to engage, but now you have to take a breath. Inhale, lift your right leg. Much better for me. Hope that was better for you. Push into your left leg, lift your right knee. Push into your left leg, lift your right knee. Now let's grow the seed. Open it up, grow it, and become a tree. Reach with your arms. Try not to lean back. Lift your heart. It's hard. Inhale to reach. Bring the seed back to your heart. Exhale, lower your right. Shift the weight to your right cheek, right foot. Engage the core. So this whole band of beautiful muscles underneath your sternum, all the way through your pelvic floor. Tighten it up. Take a breath. Can you still tighten it up while you breathe? That's the work. Inhale, left leg lifts. Push into your right foot, lift your left knee. Push into your right foot, lift your left knee. Let's grow the seed. Open it up. Grow it. Become a beautiful tree with branches. Lift your heart. Inhale to rise. Exhale, return. Oof, that's tough for me. So now we're going to try a little bit of a seated balance pose. It can be hard, so we're going to play with it. I'm going to turn so you can see where we're going. I'm not going to use the back of my chair at all. I'm going to lean back. Okay, so right now, as soon as I lean back, my abs engage. I'm going to hold something nice in front, and I'm going to lift my right knee. And then I'm going to lower my right knee. Up, and then I'm going to lift my left knee. I'm going to have help with that today. And then lower it. Here's where we're going to go. Lift your right. Lift your left. Balance on your butt. Hold your arms up. Both of my feet are up off the floor. It's hard, but it's a core work. Now, we're going to hold, look up to the sky, breathe. So our bellies are engaged, feet are up, balancing on the butt. Take a breath. Empty the breath. Shaking's normal. Inhale, lift. Exhale. When I say lift, it's elevate the heart. One more breath. We do 3 breaths here. It's called boat pose, and it is no fun. Exhale, release. All right, I'm going to stand up. And I'm going to stretch a little bit through the front of my hips that we just worked a little bit. So holding on to the back of the chair, step your right foot forward and bring your left foot back into the lunge. We've been here a lot. Lunges are one of the best stretches for the front of the hip. So we're stretching the left side, right knee is bent, but we're holding on to the chair so we don't have to worry about balance. Left arm goes up and then look up. Feel that through the left of the hip flexor. Breathe. Reach a little further. Inhale, straighten up and return. Let's try the other side. Left foot stays forward, right foot steps back. Keep a hold to the chair. We've eliminated any need to wobble. We're holding on. Right arm to the sky. Feel that in the front of the right hip. Look up to the sky, reach back. It should feel nice. Inhale here. Exhale, return. Step towards the chair. Now, what's really cool is when we sit a lot, working, driving, existing, our hip flexors can get really tight. So giving them a chance to lengthen and open not only helps the hip flexor, but that psoas muscle that wraps around and can cause some back pain. So we're going to do that again, but I want you to really feel hip flexor, psoas muscle. So we're going to start with the left going back, right knee bends. And then hold the right hand onto the chair. You could also do this on the back of your sofa or the kitchen sink. Left arm goes forward first. Now reach it up, look up, whoa, and then think about the front of the hip and then lift through that hip girdle area, lift, and you feel the psoas. Lift. Inhale and return. Let's do the other side. Left foot forward, right foot back. What a beautiful day. Sink into the left leg. Right arm goes forward. Inhale, reach. Look up. Reach the right arm further to the sky. Locate the hip flexor. You'll feel the front of the hip. And now reach up and back. There you are in the psoas. Isn't that delightful? Inhale, back up. Exhale, return. Step both feet away from the chair. Hold on to it. This could be the kitchen sink or the back of your sofa. Lean the booty back. Lean the booty back. Bring your ears between your bicep, your eyes to your toes. Reach the booty back. Reach the arms forward. It should feel nice. Breathe. Inhale, come up halfway. Take your feet wide as you can be. I'm off my mat. As wide as you can be. Reach the hips back. Reach the hips back. Bring your biceps in between with your ears right there. Reach with your arms. Reach with your tailbone. Breathe. Inhale to rise. Now, the question to take with you today is, as you spend this week nurturing yourself, giving yourself permission to eat the chocolate cookie if you want it, because it makes you happy, giving yourself permission to take breaks, to rest, to find joy, to have the extra cup of coffee, giving yourself permission to nurture you, and then being consistent with being the observer of your thoughts, words, and actions. That will help your seed to develop those strong roots. And then the last little tidbit that I want to offer you, we may have spoke about it yesterday. Remember, I've had to record 2 sessions 2 days in a row, so I can't remember everything that I've yapped about. But we have a tendency, especially during times that are challenging, to talk about, focus on, communicate around what's wrong in the world, whether it's the heat, the lack of rain, the culture, the climate, politically, environmentally, in our neighborhood, whatever it is going on in our world. We have a tendency when we get together with other people to talk about what's wrong in the world. And that has become a consistent habit of our world. And I would like to offer you the opportunity to change that consistency, to speak only of what is good, to speak only of what is good in your world. Imagine what that would do for your seed. If rather than speaking how bad it is, we have had little rain and how hot it is and dry it is, that instead we talked about the colors that we see, the sensation of the sun on my left shoulder coming through my elm tree, my mama tree. What if we spoke about the way that the grass smells after it's been watered in the morning, and that we have the ability to water? What if we spoke about what's right in our body versus what's wrong in our body? That has been a great lesson for me. What is right in my body is that I'm strong, I'm capable, I'm hopeful, I'm positive, I'm determined, rather than what's wrong in my body. So let that be your consistency today, to speak only of what is good in your world. Come to your practice. Be the observer of your thoughts, words, and actions. That will nurture your seed. And I will see you tomorrow for day 9. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Bye.